larger significance of the short poem that sadness or depression soon gets away. All the time we can't laugh. Surely sometimes we have the moments of depression, we have the moments of depression, unhappiness, as these days due to coronavirus. This virus has affected almost all the lives. Some people are facing economically, facing problems economically. Some people are facing problems because of ill health. So different people are having different problems. Some have the dejections, sorrows, but we should believe in the calculation of God. We should believe in God that these depressions, these dejections, these sorrows must be removed from our life. Yes, this is the main central idea of this poem, that our sadness or depression soon gets removed. All the time we will not be in the darkness. Happiness will come to us. A smile will come on our face. All together we will celebrate. So in this poem, the poet shows that the depression, the dejection, sorrow must go away. We should not cry for the past. We should not cry for the past. So, the poet has made his poem very charming, very appealing to us. He has shown the real nature. He has used the poetic devices. Basically, he has used two kinds of poetic devices here, assumption and assonance. In assumption, where the lines are composed when they are written without punctuation, is called assumption. Assonance, where we find the vowel sound, it is assonance. So here in the poem, the poet is standing. The poet is standing under the hemlock tree. The crow, who is completely covered with the snow because